family is just destroyed. And the longer we have to wait to get her here, it makes it so much harder on us.
Yeah, this is just so heartbreaking. A Virginia family caught in the middle of a crisis happening at Maryland's medical examiner's office. Thank you for being here with us. I'm Lorenzo Hall.
And I'm Charlotte McBride. According to our reporting, Maryland is so overwhelmed with deaths, bodies are now being stored in refrigerated trucks while awaiting autopsies.
Yeah, and that can take weeks, forcing families to put funerals on hold. Here's Scott Broom.
Angel Brand of Colonial Beach, Virginia, was 28 years old and a mother of two when she was swept up in the epidemic of opioid abuse and died of a suspected fentanyl overdose in Baltimore on February 11th, according to her mom, Dolores Shannon, who has not yet seen her daughter's body.
The agony of knowing she's somewhere over there and I can't have my daughter here, it breaks my heart because I just want to put her to rest so I can try to cope with what I'm going through. This is probably the hardest thing I've ever had to deal with in my entire life. And our family is just destroyed. And the longer we have to wait to get her here, it makes it so much harder on us.
Angel Brand's mom says the family are victims of the crisis at the Maryland Medical Examiner's office. At least 200 bodies are waiting to be autopsied, according to state health authorities, with no estimate when the backlog will be cleared. At one point, whistleblowing workers claimed bodies were sitting unrefrigerated in hallways, according to a Maryland legislator tasked with oversight. Now, backed up bodies are being stored in refrigerated trucks in a rented Baltimore garage, state records show. The chief medical examiner, Dr. Victor Whedon, abruptly resigned Friday. The state asked the Federal Emergency Management Agency for help. 5 federal mortuary specialists have been sent in, according to Maryland's health department. Even so, Angel Brand's mother says state authorities cannot tell her when Angel's body will be sent home.
I understand they're understaffed, but they should have a backup plan where if they can't handle this, they can bring someone else in or send her body somewhere else. I'm scared that she's going to sit there so long that I can't even have an open casket. I need to see my daughter to have closure. I need to look at her one last time. And if I don't get to do that because of what happened there, I will never forgive myself that I can't see my daughter and I have no control.
Dolores Shannon wanted to know if the Virginia Medical Examiner's office might be able to step in and help. But the office in Virginia said they have no authority over a death that happened in Maryland. Scott Broom, WUSA 9.